Now we see standard 8th expansion formulae, chapter number 5. So now we see practice set 5.1. For this practice set, this formula is necessary. So the formula for that is, for this practice set, x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. What is this formula? Formula is x plus a, x plus b. It means first term is common, same or equal term. First terms in both the bracket we see they are equal terms, and second terms are not common terms, they are different terms. Okay, so x plus a, first term in both the brackets are same or equal, and second terms may or may not be equal. So here is a and here is b. So expansion for this is x square. X square means this first term. First term means this common term. Okay. Equal term its square plus a plus b. A plus b. A means second term of the first bracket and b is second term of the second bracket. That means these are distinct terms, so different terms. So a plus b means sum of different terms into x into common term, that means equal term, plus a into b, a and b, so product of different terms. Okay, तर हा फॉर्म्युला काय आहे, एक्स प्लस ए एक्स प्लस बी पहिल्या नंबरच्या ज्या टर्म्स आहेत त्या इक्वल आहे आणि सेकंड नंबरच्या ज्या टर्म्स आहेत त्या डिफरंट आहे. ओके, प्रॅक्टिस सेट 5.1 वी सी सम एक्झाम्पल्स. a plus 2 into a minus 1. So this formula can be applied for this example or problem. Okay, so how to apply this formula? x square मीन्स जो कॉमन टर्म है उसका स्क्वायर. तो यहाँ पर कॉमन टर्म हमारी कौन सी है, दोनों ब्रैकेट में a, तो इसका हमें स्क्वायर करना है, a स्क्वायर. ओके, देन प्लस a plus b into x means this common term, and a plus b means uncommon terms or different terms. So different terms are 2 and minus 1. So I write here 2 minus 1, addition of these two different terms into x. X means this common term. Which is the common term in both the brackets? That is a. So I multiply by a, then plus ab. Ab means product of different terms or uncommon terms. The terms which are not common, we have to take their product. So the terms which are not common are 2 and minus 1. So we have to multiply 2 into minus 1. So now we solve this. A square, 2 minus 1 is 1 into a, 1a. So I write here plus, no need to write here 1a, that is always by default there is always 1. So just write, if there is 1 you write here a, 1a means a. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Answer is over. Okay, now second example, 9x minus 5t, 9x plus 3t. So again here we see first terms in both the brackets are equal, so common terms are there. Now we apply again this formula, and second terms are minus 5t and plus 3t. So x square means common term square. Common term is 9x, so I square the term 9x. Okay, plus a plus b. A plus b means second number terms, so minus 5t plus 3t, minus 5t plus 3t into x means common term is 9x into 9x plus ab. Ab means uncommon terms, its product. So uncommon terms are minus 5t into 3t. So we have arranged as per the formula, expanded, and now solve. 9 square is 81, x square minus 5t plus t is minus twice t into this 9x. Now plus minus, this is negative sign, I write here negative, put here negative sign. 5 3s are 15, t into t is t square. Now finally 81x square. Now I multiply, 2 9s are 18, t into x or x into t, I write here xt. You can write tx or xt also, minus 15 t square. That will be our final answer. Okay. Now we see how to solve this problem. Same formula is applicable here. This formula is applicable for this example because first terms are equal. So what is that formula? Square of the equal term. Equal term is m. Okay. So square, it's square, equal term square is there. Okay. Then plus in second bracket a plus b, addition of second number terms, may be common or may not be common, but different terms are there. So I write here 2 by 3 minus 7 by 3 into x. X means first term, common term is m. Then plus a into b. AB means second number terms, its product. Second number terms are 2 by 3 into minus 7 by 3. I write here minus 7 by 3. Now I solve this. M square. Now 2 by 3 minus 7 by 3. 2 minus 7 is minus 5. Minus 5 by 3 into this m. Again 2 into minus 7. That is minus 14 upon 3 3s are 9. So I put this sign here. So its answer will be m square minus 5 by 3 m minus 14 by 9. Okay. Now we see two more examples on the basis of this formula. So again, this example can be solved by the formula we have seen in earlier video, a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. But now we apply this formula because we are studying this practice at 5.1. So again x, first terms are equal, so first terms are equal. फॉर्मूला इज दैट इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर, इक्वल टर्म कॉमन टर्म का स्क्वायर करना है हमें एक्स स्क्वायर, फिर प्लस, फिर हमें ए प्लस बी जो कॉमन टर्म्स नहीं है उनको ऐड करना है. तो कॉमन टर्म्स जो नहीं है वो है हमारी सेकंड नंबर टर्म्स, बिकॉज दिस इज प्लस 1 बाई एक्स एंड दिस इज माइनस 1 बाई एक्स, प्लस 1 बाई एक्स एंड माइनस 1 बाई एक्स इंटू एक्स. एक्स मीन्स फिर से हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है, इस ब्रैकेट को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, एक्स से. एक्स मतलब कॉमन टर्म, कॉमन टर्म कौन से हमारी एक्स प्लस ए बी. ए बी मीन्स जो कॉमन टर्म्स नहीं है उनका प्रोडक्ट मल्टीप्लाई करना है उनको. सो जो कॉमन टर्म्स नहीं है 1 बाई एक्स एंड माइनस 1 बाई एक्स. सो 1 बाई एक्स इंटू negative 1 by x. Okay, now solve. Now see here 1 by x minus 1 by x, that is the opposite numbers of each other, opposite terms are there, so they get cancelled, so it becomes 0 into x 0. So I will write here x square and c plus into minus, that is negative sign will be there. 1 ones are 1 and x into x is x square. That will be your final answer. Okay, now we see second example. Again same formula, square of the first term, common term 1 by y, 1 upon y whole square, then plus sum of the terms which are not common. So the terms which are not common are 4 and minus 9, 4 minus 9 into x into common term. इसको हमें कॉमन टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो कॉमन जो है सेम जो है उसे हम कॉमन कह रहे हैं, तो उससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1 अपॉन y प्लस ए बी. ए बी मीन्स जो कॉमन टर्म्स नहीं उनको हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो यहाँ पर है प्लस 4 इंटू माइनस 9. सो 4 इंटू माइनस 9. नाउ वी सॉल्व दिस. 1 बाय वाई स्क्वायर इज 1 एंड वाई स्क्वायर इज वाई स्क्वायर. 4 minus 9 is minus and it will be 5 minus 5 into 1 by y. So I write here directly 1 by y and this plus into minus is negative sign. 4 nines are 36. That will be our answer. Okay, so if you like the channel, please subscribe, share and like. Okay, thank you.